Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to trade in the forex market. Well, how to trade in the forex market, it is not that difficult. It is the same as trading in the stock market, trading stocks in the stock market. So there is no rocket science in this to explain, but you will have to keep in mind that in the forex market pairs of currencies are traded. In the stock market, the shares of a certain company is traded, but in the forex market pairs of currencies are traded, the currencies are traded. Now I'm going to explain this to you by showing you an example of the example is euro US dollar. Now take a clear look at it. Now it's a downtrend. It's the same as trading stock trading shares in the stock market. Now take a clear look at it. Well, pairs of currencies, euro, US dollars. They compared these two to show you that if to show you that how well these two are performing. Now, I'm going to be making a video about how the pairs of currencies are traded, maybe in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned up till that. And for now, you can see that it is a major downtrend. It is a major downtrend, as you all can see now. Take a clear look at it. It touched this trend line at two different levels. So it means that it is a major downtrend. Now it's still trading in a downward in downward direction. Now let's find support and resistance level. This is the support level. You can see at this level. I'm going to mark this as my support level. So you can see that there is no rocket science or no any other theory in this. It's all the same as trading stocks in the stock market. Now you can see that this is the major support level, and the bulls are quite strong at this level. Sorry, the buyers are quite strong at this level because they've took long position at this level, so they can make profit out of it. Now we will have to wait for it to give us to show us what will happen next. So in this case, as you can see that the bull it also showed bullishness, but it showed bullish market, but eventually at the top it started to fall down. So in this case we will have to wait for it to show us what will happen in the euro USD. So as you can see that if this came up till this point and broke this trend line, traded above, so it means that this is a bullish market. Otherwise it would continue its bearish trend. It would be a bearish continuation. Now let's see in the history. You can see all of it is the same. There is there is nothing new in this. Besides that, all of the support and resistance level, the support and resistance level, the what do you call it, all of the indicators, all of the things are the same. Now let's use the Ichimoku cloud on this level and show, because it it would give me it is a bullish market now, but let's see how well it does in the Ichimoku cloud. It was still at this level. Now it is still. Now let's see at the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen. No, Tenkan. No, let's take a look at the blue line. Sorry. So the bulls are not quite strong at this level, as this blue line shows us this one, because you can see that it is still in a downward, maybe in a sideways pattern. So let's wait for it to give to show us what will happen next. If this line goes up, now this is constant at this level, but this is also, so if this rose and this the blue line crosses this red line, so it means that this would be an uptrend. Now if I suggest, my suggestion here would be that it's a great entry for long position. If you long your position here and this bullish market broke this trend line and start trading above, so this is would be a great, you'll have much more profit at this level. So my suggestion here would be is that this is a great level, entry level for long position. This is a great point for buyers to enter the market and take long positions. You can see that this is at its lowest low, so and this is also its support level. So what it means that it would start trading in the upward direction, and it is also, sorry, what, it is a strong bullish reversal. So this will a strong bullish reversal at the support level. So we will have to um, if if I would suggest, if it was me, I would take long position at this level and trade above. So get prepared for it so that you can make profit out of it, because it is all about making profit. It is all about making profit, and what if you don't make profit, then don't trade in that business, don't get into that business. You can see that this is a great area to make profit. So you can see that all of the things are the same. There is nothing new about the about the forex market. All of the support and resistance level, there is nothing new. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.